you know that January is named after Janus? He's the Roman god with two heads. One can see into the past, and the other can see into the future. Wow. January 14th is Dress Up Your Pet Day. Is your cat looking flat? Does your dog need to jog? Then put him in a jogging suit. Give your cat that hat. Yay! January 16th is Appreciate a Dragon Day. But wait, there's no dragons. They don't exist. Aww. But I have a special guest. Are you ready? Look at that! It's a dragon! Wow! Look at that! I'm a puppet with a puppet! Ah! So, those were the days in January. Stay tuned